Another video of Chris and Corey!
God, it's hailing. It's dude, Craig Bowler live. Craig Bowler live. It's hailing. It's hailing, Craig Bowler. What are you, Ohio?
Oh, that white stuff is hail.
Whoa, look, you can see my breath.
Wow, temperature has dropped terribly. Corey's soaked.
It looks like dipping dots. It's raining dipping dots out here, man.
I'm soaked.
Dude, my shoes legitimately are
My
like
socks are soaked.
These were waterproof. And now they're
Not anymore.
soak-proof. They're soak.
Oh, I'm so cold.
I made them water resistant. Now they're water shoes.
Woo, it's cold. I know. The temperature has dropped.
Dude, your bandana.
I know, it's soaked.
I know, that's why I threw a hoodie on. Dude, look at that, dude. It's all gushing out. Like, out of the... Look at the video of that. It's all hail. You know?
God.
That is awesome, right? It's just like little pebbles.
Oh, this is so cold. It's so good. Eat it.
It is refreshing.
Oh man.
That is so crazy.
I wish it was flavored, dude. You would have like strawberry.